Hey guys, so today you're gonna be wanting to make this one. All you're gonna need, you do not need contact solution. All you gotta do is start playing it with it and it'll take off all the excess stuff that are around your bowl, so when your mom cleans them, there's not that much on there. So I barely cleaned this today and it's pretty cool. See that? You just gotta start knitting it. That's it. And it's pretty cool because I've been wanting to make slime since a long time. And now I have done it. It sticks to your hand, but all of it comes off. Watch. Stick my hand. All of it's off. And it is good slime. And what I'm going to do instead of making purple slime is go get my other slime and you show the difference. So I'll be back. So I'm back. This is a slime I made with glue, shaving cream, contact solution, and food dye. This is like a weird color because you can see the difference between this purple and this purple. I think it's because I added blue. How I made this one is I used smelling markers, and it smells pretty good. So I'm going to put this one in there and play with this one. Okay, so I got some of this. Let's try it out. Let me go get the other one, so I'll be back. So I'm back, guys. Yeah, it's been laying on here since a long time. We waited 15 minutes and now I'm back. I can only make a video in 14 minutes and 5 seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this much. We got to spread it into 3 parts. So this part, this one, and this one. We're just gonna add and spread it out into 3 different platforms. I love this. Okay, so no, now I gotta separate this one. I think this one. But okay, so we're gonna put not that one, this one in there, and we're gonna grab your colors, your food dye. This is pretty cool because I haven't tried this, and I've seen people do it on YouTube, so I wanna try it. I wanna try it like so bad. I use like markers. Let's put this one in there. There's your spoon. And get your spoon and start mixing it. If it doesn't come out, keep on adding more drops to your. And you want to have like a platform to put